Hi, I'm Kim with Bantam Tools, and I'm going to show you how to thoroughly clean your Bantam Tools desktop PCB milling machine. We're going to go step by step through the entire process for keeping your mill clean and running at peak performance. Before we begin, we'll need the following supplies: a pair of disposable gloves, a vacuum cleaner with a narrow wand attachment, lint-free wipes, and 91% isopropyl alcohol, a source of compressed air or canned air, and we recommend safety glasses and hearing protection. Now on to the cleaning. Connect and turn on your Bantam Tools desktop PCB milling machine. Remove any accessories you have installed, such as a fine dust collector or alignment bracket. You'll also want to remove any stock or PCBs from the spoil board. Finally, remove the tool and the collet, and use the home command in your machine software to return the axes to the 0 position. Vacuum all exposed surfaces of your Bantam Tools desktop PCB milling machine. Be thorough. Vacuum all the waves and lead screws. Using the software controls, move the carriages to their furthest extent and vacuum the newly exposed areas. Don't forget to turn your machine to get the surfaces in the back. Now, use your compressed air and brush to clean around the spindle and the linear bearings. Just like when vacuuming, move the carriages as needed to access all 4 bearings for each carriage. Use the air to remove debris from all 3 limit switches as well, and to blow out any fine debris from the collet and collet nut. Use dry, lint-free wipes to wipe any remaining debris from the ways, and lint-free wipes soaked with alcohol to wipe all other surfaces. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more information on using and maintaining your Bantam Tools desktop PCB milling machine, visit us at bantamtools.com.